guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So we are still currently in Walt Disney World and we have finally checked into our third resort this trip, and it's Pop Century. So we're only staying here for one night, and we've stayed in Pop Century before and we absolutely adore this resort. Before we unpack and repack and before I do my owner's locker video, that will be a new video, I just wanted to show you guys quickly this room in case you've never seen Pop Century. We are in the 50s, right next to the pool. We are on the first floor. Not my preference. If we were staying here for more than one night, I would definitely march back to the front desk and ask them to put us somewhere higher, because I typically prefer second, third floor. But it's okay. One night, and we're actually right next to the parking, so made it very convenient because we have a lot of stuff. We did a lot of shopping. But anyways, let me stop talking. Let me flip the camera and show you this cute little room really quick. All right, so as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. Two cutie pies. You have the Murphy bed with a nightstand. This is very convenient because you have a table. Yes, boys?
Yes.
And then we move right along to this bed. I feel like I requested a king size bed. I don't know if this is a king size bed. Probably not. It's probably a queen. Then we have the beautiful TV, which kind of looks crooked. But that's okay. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So here you have your safe, your Bible, extra pillow, doors, which is great. Lots of chargers. You got your recycling over here. I'm gonna try to go over our mess. So here is a cute little station. I actually like this when we stayed for a couple of days. Like we put all of our snacks and stuff, and you have the new fridge, which is great. You have the luggage, whatever that thing is called, and your window. I'm not gonna show you on the floor because it has all of our stuff there. Okay, so now let me show you here really quick. So phone, the bed pulls out, and the beds are very comfortable. You have some hanging hooks here for hanging your clothes. This room is not a connecting room, which is great. I prefer it that way. So here we have our bathroom and the sliding door. And so this is also very convenient because you get to put some of your stuff here. I actually like it a lot when we stay here for a couple of days. This is awesome. I like all of these little storage places. I typically will move this somewhere higher and like utilize this for makeup, medicine, and things like that. So everything is here. We do have a facial soap. We have the bathroom, which is simple, nice and clean. This one, lots of extra towels, and then the H2O products are right here, and then the shower. So it's to the point and it's nice and we like it a lot. My kids, they cannot wait to jump into this bed and mess it up, and I'm like, no. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video of our room tour here in Pop Century in the 50s area section. Again, like I said, we're on the first floor, very convenient to the parking lot if that's what you're looking for. And our room number for reference is 2112. And let me show you really quickly outside before I cut the video, so just in case if you wanted to see how close we really are. All right, here's Aiden looking extra yellow. So this is our room number 2112. We're on the first floor. There is the parking. So this is like super convenient because we literally just parked like where this creepy white van is, unloaded, and then we went and parked. And for reference, like the pool is like right over there. That's the pool. So this is pretty convenient, I have to say.
Oh.
Yes.
And this is building number 2.
Yes, building number 2. Alright guys, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. And we hope you enjoyed this little video with my kid over here somewhere. We'll see you real soon. Bye.